In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring a layer to front in Figma. When you're designing, you'll often want one object to sit visually on top of another, like a button over an image or a highlight over a card. In Figma, that's simply about changing the layer order. First, click to select the layer, or hold Shift to select multiple layers you want to move together. Everything you do next will affect the order only inside the layer's current container, which could be a frame, a group, or a component. The fastest way is with keyboard shortcuts. To move a layer all the way to the top of its stack, use Bring to Front. On Mac, press Command plus Option plus the right bracket. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus the right bracket. If you only need to nudge a layer up one position at a time, use Bring Forward. On Mac, that's Command plus the right bracket. On Windows, it's Ctrl plus the right bracket. Each press moves the selected layer just one level higher among its siblings in the same container, which keeps your structure tidy while you fine-tune overlap. If you prefer using menus, right-click directly on the selected layer on the canvas. Hover over Arrange, then choose Bring to Front to send it to the very top, or Bring Forward to move it up one step. This is especially helpful when you're still learning the shortcuts or want a clear, visual confirmation of the action you're taking. You can also reorder visually in the Layers panel on the left. Open the panel, click the layer you want, then drag it upward in the list. Layers at the top appear above those beneath them on the canvas. Make sure you're dragging within the same parent. If the layer is inside a group or frame, drop it within that group or frame section. You'll see a line indicating where it will land. Release at the very top to bring it to the front. This method is great when you're working with many elements and want to see the hierarchy at a glance. A quick note on how Figma thinks about stacking. The order only affects overlapping layers inside the same parent. Moving a layer to the front of one frame won't place it above layers in a different frame. If your layer sits in an auto layout frame, the visual stacking can feel different because auto layout prioritizes layout order along its direction. In those cases, adjust the order within that auto layout container to control which item appears on top. And that's it. 3 reliable ways to bring any layer to the front in Figma.